When adding drawers, you can choose between two types to match different design styles. Outer drawers have fronts that cover the cabinet face and overlay the sides. Inner drawers have fronts that sit within the cabinet opening, creating a more recessed appearance. Regardless of which type you use, you can control the total number of drawers in the cabinet. You can set a uniform thickness for all drawer components. It's also possible to customize the height ratio of each drawer relative to the others. For example, you can specify that the first drawer is 3 times taller than the second and third, or that the first and second drawers are twice the height of the third. When you later resize the cabinet, these proportions are automatically preserved. If you hide the drawer fronts to inspect construction, you'll see that each drawer is made up of a front, 2 sides, a bottom, and a back. By default, this design assumes wooden construction for all sides. If you're working with metal drawer systems, you can exclude the left and right sides from the cutting list, and instead adjust the bottom and back dimensions to match manufacturer specifications. For easier inspection, you can hide the back and right side to get a clearer view of the drawer's configuration options. With inner height, you control the ratio of the side and back height compared to the front. Inner thickness defines the thickness of the left, right, bottom, and back components. You can also fine-tune placement using gaps. Front gap determines the distance between the drawer front and other drawers or neighboring cabinets. Inner side gap controls how far the drawer sides are positioned from the cabinet walls, which is useful when selecting drawer slide systems. Back gap defines how far the drawer sits from the cabinet, back when closed. Finally, top and bottom overflow settings adjust how much taller or shorter the drawer front is compared to the cabinet opening. For example, if you want the bottom drawer to conceal the cabinet legs, simply increase the bottom overflow. This extends the drawer front downward, creating a clean appearance at the cabinet base,